So we see one case, a 32-year-old female who used to travel from Dubai to take treatment for her bronchial asthma. She came from a big family with many sisters, aunts, uncles, and many of them who were suffering from bronchial asthma. About 28 of them were suffering from mild to severe bronchial asthma, and I was like a family doctor to all of them. 20 of them were more or less all right, and others were improving. Only this patient was not showing good response to the treatment. She kept on traveling from Dubai for the treatment. She responded partially. She would get severe aggravation from damp, monsoon, getting wet, taking bath, draft of air, cold drinks, etc. She would feel better in dry climate, warm drink, and warm room. She was brooding in nature, irritable, short tempered, and moody. She could not get along with her mother in law. So the couple decided to shift to Dubai. She continued having trouble. Her constitutional medicine was Natrum Sulph. Natrum Sulph was prescribed in 30, 201 m. Only partial relief in 1 year. Now, the patient was not improving. We reviewed the case. Again, it was Natrum Sulph. So, we thought there is a blockage in the case. We gave Thuja as an anti-miasmatic remedy, only partial relief. We changed the potency to Natrum Sulph 10 m, only partial relief. We called friends, we called parents, we interviewed them. We interviewed patient again and again. Still it was Natrum Sulph. So I took Thuja myself. I thought there is a block in my observation. But no, that did not change the remedy. It was still Natrum Sulph. I told the patient to go to other physician. I said, please, I'm not able to help you. The patient says, no, you have helped all my family members. So why not me? I would not go anywhere. The file had become so big, 100 pages. It was a proof of my incompetence. I called parents again and again. While going through the case record, there was a beautiful incident which happened. I saw one peculiar moment between these parents. Father was trying to say it. Mother would say, no, no, no. Just imagine. Father would say, say. Mother would say, no, no, no. She was trying to stop. Now, I was pretending that I'm looking at the case record, but actually I was looking at that moment. Okay? And this continued for a very long time. They thought that I'm not aware. Okay? And I got very angry. I threw the case record and I said, both of you go out. I don't want to treat your daughter anymore. They said, why? Why? In my mind, I thought there is some stigma attached to this matter. I need to know what is the truth. Okay? I pretended, literally pretended. And I said, I don't want to treat her. I pretended I'm angry, very upset. I said, in last 6 months, I'm struggling to help your daughter. And you are not communicating some vital information. They waited. They waited in the waiting room, although I told them to go away. So when the last patient was over, I asked my compounder, I said, can we leave? He said, no, there is somebody waiting. I said, who? He said, parents of that patient are waiting. They came inside. They consulted each other and they said, okay, we will tell you. The couple already had 5 daughters. When this child was to be born, they tried all herbal and natural modes to induce without any success. In those days, abortion was not a legal thing in India. So they had to continue with the pregnancy. When she delivered the sixth female child, nobody came to see her in the hospital, neither her husband nor her in laws. Nobody came. This was a big shock. For 3 full days, she was alone and crying with nobody to share her sorrow or pain. This opened a new window to prescription. Friends, you have done this remedy last session. The remedy turned from natrum sulph to magnesium sulph. Patient was given Max Sulph 201 dose, and that changed the entire perception. That changed the disease. The patient started improving. Subsequently, in 3 years, only 3 doses of Max Sulph 200 were given. Patient completely recovered, and she was absolutely fine. So, what were the reasons of prescription? Rejection right from conception, repression of emotions, acne and scarring. Psychotic miasm fundamental, dominant miasm fundamental, natrum mind with no relief from natrum sulph. Patient was repeated only few doses of Max Sulph. What is the learning? Physician must be very open to learning, open to changing the prescription. Cause is the most important factor in any prescription. If you touch the right cause, the relief is 100% possible.